definition, at least meaning for AI? Cheppandi. What is AI? Very good. Sit down. So, in the last semester, we have learned what is AI, because that is the first tech part which has ruled the world technology. Now, we are adopting that technology. Laptop close చేయండి. మీకు ఏదైనా వర్క్ ఉంటే ప్లీజ్ లాస్ట్ కన్నా కూర్చోండి, లేకపోతే అటు కన్నా కూర్చోండి. So now that technology we are adopting. We learned that AI mimics, behaves like human. Okay. In the last AI subject, we have learned how that AI is behaving same as human. How it is behaving? How it is behaving? How it behaves? Huh? Like human. How? ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏఐఎంఎల్ సబ్జెక్ట్ చదువుతున్నారు కదా, యు ఆర్ లెర్నింగ్ ప్రెసెంట్ టెక్నాలజీ. యూ షుడ్ పుట్ ద క్వశ్చన్ హౌ and you should tell the answer for that also. How it is mimicking as human. In AI subject, we have learned different types of algorithms. Okay. The overall view of that AI subject is whatever the AI chatbot or AI technology is behaving as human, it is not exactly behaving as human. It is behaving more than a human. Is it right? Is it right? Tell me one example AI tool. Very good. Good answer. Very good. మీకు మాటలు రావా? Very good. Next. This person is eager to say the answer. Very good. Tell me the answer. Tell me one AI tool. Very good. See, that person is very eager to say. Stand up. Tell me other tool. Very good. Sit down. నాకు వినిపించలేదు నీ ఆన్సర్. So here, suppose by using the tool, you already know, if you ask some question, it will give some answer. Okay. I will not tell that is the 100% correct answer, because I will tell the answer for that because also. Okay. Same question, if you type again for that tool, does it give the same sentence? Again you type that tool, same question again, third time. Does it give the same sentence? But the meaning is same. Okay. Means how that AI chatbot is giving the answer. It is behaving like human. Why it is behaving like human is, the part comes for that answer is the machine learning. Why it is behaving like human is, నా వాయిస్ నేను వినడానికి నేను భయం వేస్తుంది. The part comes for that answer is the machine learning. The answer for that is the machine learning. The answer, hello. If you are not interested, please leave my class. If any person is entering into the classroom, if you are interested or not interested also, you should sit. Please don't enter into this room. So the answer for the question why AI behaves like human is the machine learning. Okay. మీకు AI లోనే చెప్పినప్పుడు గుర్తుందో లేదో, I told that why that AI is giving the multiple answer is, at some point of time, using some programming language, we the human are training that AI. Okay. So here, so for the chat GPT, by using the chat GPT, we are learning the answers and we are writing the answers. Do you remember when I told you people to do the project, I only told you to use the chat GPT. Is it right? Is it right? When I told you to do the project, I instructed you people to use the chat GPT for your idea, to take the help of the chat GPT for your idea. Means for that answers you are learning something from AI. Is it right? You have learned something from AI and you are implementing that. So how here the question comes, if the human, when they start learning from the machines, if we are performing this much, so the question is, what if machine learns from humans? What if machine learns from human? So here the answer for the AI, why the AI gives the answers correctly is, it has been trained by the human. Here the answer for that is machine learns from the humans. When machine learn from the human, the topic, the answer is the machine learning. Here the human trains the machine. Okay. Once the human train the machine by using some multiple data sets or multiple data or any other requirement, whatever the model to be trained. So the machine gets trained from that data. Okay. Then later on it mimics same as human. So the here the learning from the human is called machine learning. Mimicking as human is called AI. Okay, the difference is learning from the human is the machine learning. Mimicking as human is the AI. Okay, the difference here is between human and machine is we human, ఇప్పుడు మీకు ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేయించానని చెప్పాను కదా, చేశారని చెప్పాను. We human learn something from the AI for doing our project. If I ask the question regarding that project, if making you people to stand, will you give the complete project answer? Will you people will give the complete project answer? Yes, no, that's all. No. Okay. After rehearsing again that project, you will give some answer. But whereas coming to the machine, machine is learning something from the humans. That is AI. For that AI, if you ask same chat GPT లో మనకు పక్కన అక్కడ ఉంటది కదా, మనకు లేబులింగ్ ఇండెక్స్ ఉంటది కదా, ఆ ఇండెక్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళి give summarize the about the all this project and does AI will give the answer? Will AI give? Will machine give the answer or not? That is the difference between the human and the machine. Okay. The human does update our answers, but machine will update the answers, will update its learning. That's why the AI tool, whatever the AI tool you are using, for the same question you will get multiple answers and infinite multiple answers, where no two answers will be the same, but the meaning is same. No two sentences will be the same. You can test for that any tool. మీరు ఏ టూల్ అన్నా ఏ టూల్ అన్నా తీసుకోండి, you can test for that infinity answers. You will get infinity answers, but no two sentences will be same. అది లంచ్ టైంలోనే చెక్ చేసుకోండి. You type some message, some question, same question you type 10 times, no two sentences will be same. Okay. Why? Because whenever the machine learns something, it will be updated itself. It will get updated itself by doing some changes in its program or in its learning, with or without informing the owner. With or without informing the owner. Is it right? Yes. What? What is right? What is right? నేను ఏం చెప్పాను ఇప్పుడు? What is right? Very good, Shida. Okay. Back వెళ్ళాలా? Okay. So coming to the syllabus, by the time tomorrow we complete unit 1, complete చేస్తాం. Okay, no doubt. By the time tomorrow we complete unit 1, I download some particular we will go to some మనం ఎప్పుడైనా సిలబస్ చదువుతున్నామంటే పాయింట్ టు పాయింట్ చదవద్దు, బికాస్ మీకు చార్జ్ లేదా I came here today is we complete one. Okay, we will train a model. The work is coming. Remind me at 4 o'clock. What? Remind me at 4 o'clock. Okay, you do that work. Okay. What? Okay. So let us now see about the syllabus. Keep ready. No talking. Ready. Open your books. Open your books. See, if anybody is not writing means stop talking. If anybody is not writing means they are willing to explain the topic on the diagram. Yeah. Keep reading syllabus. Hey, Babu. Write down the syllabus. Yeah. ఒకసారి చూడండి అమ్మా. Already this unit 1 is started for you. Some part of the I think some part of the topic has completed. I will give some brief introduction only regarding the evolution of machine learning. Regarding the evolution of machine learning, only some part of the introduction. The later on the topic, I will explain in detail. Okay. First, write the syllabus. You people should kindly observe the syllabus whether I am completing or not. If I miss any topic, you should stand up and remind me. Okay? Write on the first topic, evolution of ML in bracket item history. Evolution EVOAUTION. Evolution of machine learning. The second topic is paradigms of ML. Learning by rote. Learning by learning by rote, ROTE. Learning by rote, learning by induction. ఇలాంటివన్నీ పెట్టుకున్నాం అనుకో. Next, finish learning by induction. Next one is data acquisition. Data నేను స్పెల్లింగ్ చెప్తాను. ఓకే, acquisition. ACQUISATION. Next. Now, differences between feature and future. Feature selection, FEATURE. Feature selection. Next, reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning. REINFORCE. Types of data. Types of data. Next, matching. Matching, comma, stages in machine learning. Matching, comma, in machine learning. Next one, model selection. Model selection, learning, comma, evaluation. Last one is search and learning. Okay, I think you all are having laptops. మీ గ్రూప్ లో ఎవరికి లేదా ల్యాప్టాప్? ఒకసారి సిలబస్ చూడండి. The stage of 8 you people at home will do today is this data acquisition. The work which I am going to give is, hello, look at the board. నేను క్లాస్ చెప్తుంటే ఏం రాస్తున్నావు బాబు? టుడే ఎట్ హోమ్ యూ పీపుల్ విల్ డూ డాటా అక్విజైజేషన్. నేను చెప్తాను ఎలా చేయాలో. నాకు 4 కి నాకు రిమైండ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, బికాస్ టైమ్ విల్ బి నాట్ సఫిషియంట్. If for you people to train a model, I will give you the code. Whatever data acquisition you will do at home today, you will implement the data acquisition with my code. ఓకే, నేను కోడ్ ఇస్తాను అంటే టైప్ చేయాలని అది కూడా అవసరం లేదు, జస్ట్ కాపీ పేస్ట్. ఓకే, I will give you the code. With that code you add your data acquisition, then the training of the model will start. Okay, tomorrow afternoon everybody should bring your laptop. బ్యాచెస్ వైజ్. ఒకవేళ మీకు ల్యాప్టాప్ లేదంటే పక్కన ఎవరైనా చేస్తుంటారు కదా, వాళ్ళతో మింగిల్ అవ్వండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్. సో హియర్ వాట్ we are going to model selection, learning model evaluation, prediction, feature selection, search and learning data set. These all 4 will be completed tomorrow's afternoon class. Tomorrow's afternoon class. Morning techina parvaledu, because for training a model it takes 1 hour. For training a model it takes 1 hour of time, depending upon the class hours. It is better if you bring in the morning. It's up to you. For training a model 1 hour it takes. If in the afternoon hours, if time is not sufficient, means as usual we should send a mail to me. Okay, next. X. See here. Do you know about a robot? Kite ante A ante kite kada. I saw your banner while coming to from railway station to here. Number of using a robot, whatever the robot is available here. See here, nowadays we all know about the robots. We know how it is working. Same behaving like human. How what human is doing, that that robot is also doing. So here, before machine, why it is used only in robots and machines? One more thing, you know there are machine learning jobs. Only machine learning jobs there akkada unnai telusa meeku? What they are going to do in machine learning job? What they are going to do in machine learning jobs? You know what is the minimum package for machine learning job? You know, minimum 8 lakhs starting as a trainer. Even yes, minimum package is per month you can handle with 50 to 60,000. The work these machine learning engineers are going to do is this data acquisition and this model selection, training the model, evaluating and prediction. People, the machine learning engineers, whatever they are going to do is data acquisition, model selection, training the model, evaluation, prediction. Okay? In these 2 days of class, if you people are worthy in doing this data acquisition training model tomorrow, then you are well and fit for that machine learning engineer job. Okay? Next, nowadays, what is this? What is this? What is this? We'll have some interactive class on this, okay? I will select the student. అట్లా చూస్తున్నావు నిన్నే పిలుస్తాలే నువ్వే రెడ్ షర్ట్ స్టాండ్ అప్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ సార్ అది ఫుల్ స్లైడ్ పెట్టండి సార్ కొంచెం ఫుల్ స్లైడ్ చెప్తున్నాను కదా అందుకోసం ఓకే బిఫోర్ మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్ బిఫోర్ ఏఐ మీకు స్కూల్ ఉంది కదా స్కూల్లో మీరు స్కూల్ బిఫోర్ యూ డోంట్ నో అబౌట్ దిస్ ఏఐ వాట్ ఈస్ ద యూజువల్ వే ఆఫ్ లెర్నింగ్ what is the usual way of learning before AI and machine learning? Books, textbooks. Now you people know about textbooks? Ever a messer? So before machine learning, we usually use very good. For studying our subjects, we usually prefer library, that is books. But now, after machine learning, we are using this AI chatbots. Is it right? Before Google, previously at the starting stage, when I was at your age, the Google speaker was not available. We used to type everything. If we need something for using that Google also, we prefer to Google. Separate గా మేము ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్కి వెళ్ళి గూగుల్ ఎలా యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలనేది ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకొని మళ్ళీ గూగుల్ యూజ్ చేసేవాళ్ళం. బట్ నౌ యూ నో వాట్ ద నోకియా ఫోన్ చూసారు అసలు నోకియా ఫోన్ చిన్న ఫోన్ That is AI assisted. That is before machine learning. This is after machine learning. Okay. That is before machine learning. This is after machine learning. Okay. That before machine learning devices are more durable or after machine learning devices are more durable? Before machine learning devices are more durable or after machine learning devices are more durable? Why? Why? Because these after machine learning devices are trained by humans, no? That's why they are not more durable. స్లైడ్స్ లో పెట్టండి నేను చూసుకుంటాను ఎలానే డిక్టేట్ చేయాలి కదా ఫస్ట్ నుండి పెట్టండి స్లైడ్ షో కూర్చోరా బాబు ఓన్లీ స్లైడ్ షో పెట్టండి అది అవుట్లైన్ పెట్టండి అవుట్లైన్ పెట్టండి సైడ్ వస్తుంది అదే ఇది రావట్లేదు అక్కడ యా tell me some examples how machine learning we are using in our daily life. How machine learning we are using in our daily life. Unlocking cell phones. Next, smart vehicles, very good. Huh? Smart watches, very good. Next, voice assistant, very, very good. Next, huh? Smart fans. Next, కొంచెం ఆగండి ఆ అబ్బాయి ఆన్సర్ చెప్తాడంట చెప్పు నాన్న నువ్వు నువ్వే tell me some whatever examples for what how we are using machine. స్మార్ట్ వాచ్ ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను నువ్వు ఏదో ఆన్సర్ చెప్తున్నావు కదా అబ్బాయికి రోబోట్ వెరీ గుడ్ సిట్ డౌన్ You know about this? This is the best example. My last quarter. Look at the board. You know about this? What is it? Why it is needed? Sir, sir, ఎవరైనా ఇయర్ పోడ్స్ కానీ ఫోన్ కానీ మిమ్మల్ని తీసుకోమనట్లేదు, నేను తీసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోతాను. ఆల్రెడీ తీసుకున్నాను, ఎవరితో ఇయర్ పోడ్ తీసుకున్నా కదా మీద. ఆల్రెడీ లాస్ట్ టైం లో ఇయర్ పోడ్ తీసుకొని వెళ్ళిపోయాను. సో హియర్ in which cases we will use this? In which cases we will use this? Tracking, traveling, location, very good. Who is that? Hello? ఎక్కడ తీసుకుంటున్నారు? Is it necessary? No. Yes. Kitsa? Who is that fellow? Yes అన్నారు. Yes. Observe. We are going through some social media apps, some apps, Ola, Rapido, Tella. We will look that Ola, Rapido app. In fact, it will show more than one. Will you observe that? Will you observe that? So what is why? What is the main idea regarding that more showing more than one? To find the shortest path one to reach before the time is one. Is it right? Is it right? So this is called as a predicting. This is called as predicting. Already the distance is fixed. Already the source and the destination will be fixed. But the way of reaching is the predictable. Sometimes this మనము ఓలా కానీ ర్యాపిడో కానీ బుక్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇట్ విల్ షో ద టైం 50 minutes, will be 18, 20. But later on, depending on the conversation, time, the driver is telling the time, is the person who is going time. No, the machine, the hand is telling the time. Who could that app? Human beings that app because already one station గూగుల్ యాప్ లో గూగుల్ లొకేషన్ ఆన్ చేస్తాం కదా మనం, లొకేషన్ ఫోన్ లొకేషన్ దట్ విల్ ట్రాక్ through some sensors, location sensors. So by using that, the automatically the time will change. Okay, this will called as a prediction. The next example is, you know about this email? You know about this email? లాస్ట్ టైం ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేశారు ఎవరో ఈమెయిల్ పైన. In email, do you observe some mails will automatically will be stored in junk folder, spam folder. తెలుసా? డైరెక్ట్ ఇన్బాక్స్ లో రావు, జంక్ స్పామ్ ఫోల్డర్ లో ఉంటాయి. ఎందుకు? Because due to some security reasons, the Google has inbuilt developed that for some organized mails, for some organization emails. Organization emails అంటే what is that organizational emails? నేను ఇది క్లోజ్ చేస్తే నా వాయిస్ రికార్డ్ అవ్వదు. చెప్తాను చూడండి. ఆర్గనైజ్ email. So I am working in some college. trustworthy. That's why that emails will automatically store in spam or junk folders. With కొన్ని emails వస్తాయి do not reply dot ac dot in వస్తాయి. What is that mean? Don't reply with your mail to that whatever the incoming address is coming. Okay, so that is the one of the machine learning application. Next, what is this? Fraud detection. Okay, this will be also one beautiful project. What is fraud detection? What will be happening here? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పకండి నాకు బ్రేక్ అయిన తర్వాత నేను అడుగుతాను. ఓకే, థింక్ ఇన్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్, డోంట్ టాక్ విత్ అదర్. Other than transactions, నేను ఒక క్వశ్చన్ వేస్తాను ఇప్పుడు. ఆన్సర్ లంచ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత వస్తారు కదా, అప్పుడు చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, యు నో అబౌట్ బ్యాంక్స్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద డిఫరెంట్ బ్యాంక్స్? వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. ఆ బ్యాంక్ వాళ్ళకు పర్సనల్ ఫోన్ నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చారా? అన్ని బ్యాంక్స్ కి ఇచ్చారా? ఆ? అన్ని బ్యాంక్స్ కి ఇచ్చారా, ఇయ్యలేదా? అన్ని బ్యాంక్స్ ఇచ్చావా? ఎవరది? ఏదో ఒక బ్యాంక్ 2 బ్యాంక్స్ కి ఇచ్చావు కదా, ఆన్సర్ చెప్పొద్దు. ఆన్సర్ లంచ్ అయిపోయాక వచ్చి చెప్పండి. సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇప్పుడు సోషల్ మీడియా యాప్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఏంటిది, ఈ కామర్స్ యాప్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. వాట్ ఆర్ దట్ ఈ కామర్స్ యాప్స్? వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. You will get some messages from that apps regarding offers. Did you give your name, email ID for that? No. దీనికి ఆన్సర్ ఎందుకు వస్తున్నాయి అనేది లంచ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత చెప్పండి. ఓకే, నువ్వు చెప్పాలి, నువ్వే. Write down machine learning. నేను రాయమన్నాను, మాట్లాడద్దు చెప్పండి. చూడండి, సో హియర్ this picture, why I have included this picture is a difference between machine and human. Okay, this is to and fro implementation. We humans will learn from our past experiences. Here machines will follow whatever the input given by our humans. Okay, next, What if humans can train the machines? The result is AI. Is it right? The result is AI. Why I am telling the result is AI is today in each and every field, whatever the field you take, in each and every field, AI is ruling. Yes or no? In each and every field, including police department. Police department lo ela madam ante tell me the example how the AI is ruling the police department. సీసీటీవీ పర్సన్ మానిటర్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాడు ఒక స్టేషన్ లో ఒక డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది ఆ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ లో person will be the police people will be tracking that CCTV footage. Second, recently we all observed one reel. లేడీ ఒక బస్ స్టేషన్ లో దిగితే ఒక ముసలావిడ ఆమెను ట్రాక్ చేసుకొని కార్ లో తీసుకొని వెళ్తే డూ యూ రిమెంబర్ దట్ ఈస్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దట్ AI is even ruling the police department. Coming to the second, medical field. Do you agree with me that AI machine learning is ruling that medical field also? How? Scanning, surgery, very good. Coming to the surgeries. Coming to the surgeries. See, person to person, the dimensions will be changed. We suppose if the person, the doctor to perform the eye operation, నా eye dimensions, మీ eye dimensions different ఉంటుంది. But even though the machine is performing, that for that input whatever given by the doctor under supervision of the doctor. Is it right? So that is how if the machine learns from humans, that is the result. Okay. Next, these are all the CT scan where nowadays many tumors are being recovered through AI, through machine learning. Is it right? Nowadays, easily they are going to be get recognized. You know about PET? About PET? What is that PET? I will tell that other PET. I will tell that other PET. Yeah. You know what is Hyderabad hospital is a hospital and mental. You know that we done till the time for technical implementation where if suppose there is a possibility of first stage of cancerous, if there is a possibility of first stage of cancer cell అంటే ఆల్రెడీ క్యాన్సర్ వచ్చి కాదు, if there is a normal to next below ఉందంటే this PET scan will easily recognize in which cell at which part of your body it can be going to be attacked. Nowadays, our technology is ruling in that way. Okay, you can search in the Google. Okay, you can search in the Google. This PET scan will be done, will recognize very perfectly when the very small initial stage of the cell. Okay, the next. Now write the definition. Machine learning is an application of AI is an application of AI that provides the system that provides the system ability to learn automatically and improve from experience and improve. So look at that image. Look at that image. Look at the image కూడా రాస్తున్నాడు. See here, here you can observe this is the normal computer before machine learning. Normal, now you are seeing LED screens. When we use the computer, that was the black and white screen, green color dabba. This much size of dabba was there. One big CPU and one keyboard and another connection, not UPS also. Black and white screen. That is the ordinary machine before machine learning. Okay. Now, for that machine, we will train that machine learning. We will train that machine. Okay. Through the by combination of that machine with our learning, it will become machine learning. You can observe this all three in your syllabus. ఉందా చూడండి అప్పుడు syllabus లో learning, prediction, searching data sets. Okay. Whenever so here that three combines the complete modeling with machine learning. Okay. మీకు చెప్పాను కదా ఈరోజు డాటా అక్వైజేషన్ రేపు మోడల్ ట్రైనింగ్ చేస్తానని దట్ you are training your own model. You are training your own model that you can use forever. With machine learning, మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఇంటెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నట్లయితే ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అది కాదు అదర్ దెన్ అకాడమిక్స్ మీకు అకాడమిక్స్ 90% కానీ 90% కానీ they will ask what are the implementations you have done till now. Implementation you have done till now. Same implementation. మేము పాస్ అయ్యాం ఫెయిల్ అయ్యాం రుజుగా చేస్తాం అది కాదు ఆన్ యువర్ టాపిక్ వాట్ హ్యావ్ డన్ మీరు లాస్ట్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేశారు కదా అది బిల్డ్ చేసుకోండి దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ ఓకే వాట్ ఎవర్ ద డాటా అక్వైజేషన్ అండ్ టుమారో మోడల్ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ యువర్ సెకండ్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ యూ కెన్ defend yourself. You can explicitly tell that how you will do the data acquisition. You have to use this word. Most of the people who are coming for the as a HR to the colleges వస్తాయి కదా ఇన్ఫార్మ్ ఉన్నాయి కదా to the colleges whenever they are coming for the interview with unlabeled data. Coming to the reinforcement learning. Coming to the reinforcement learning. What is this reinforcement learning is? What is this reinforcement learning is? This is the learning where the machine gives the answer based on the feedback received from the user. Okay. Example. ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత కింద థంబ్ సింబల్ ఉంటుంది. గుడ్ రెస్పాన్స్ ఆర్ బ్యాడ్ రెస్పాన్స్. If we give the bad response on the bad response, even if it will give the modify the answer in a high professional way. Is it right? Learn. Okay. That is the reinforcement learning. So whenever we get some answer, definitely. బ్రాకెట్ లో రాసుకోండి. సూపర్వైజ్ లెర్నింగ్ అంటే లేబుల్ డేటా ఓన్లీ బ్రాకెట్ లో రాసుకోండి. మళ్ళీ చెప్తారు. సూపర్వైజ్ లెర్నింగ్ unsupervised learning based on unlabeled data. Third one, reinforcement. Very good, right on. Feedback. అందుకే స్ట్రైట్ కూర్చొని వినాలి. Straight. Okay, now stop talking. Look at the board. That. So here, with syllabus feature learning ఉందా? Do you have? Okay, very good. So here, what is the word for this? What is the word we call for this? Point current. That is the label for the image. Is it right? That is the label for that image. This is 1 rupee coin. This is 1 euro. This is $1. Okay. The meaning is same. The labeling is different. Coming to the features. Coming to the features. What comes under the features? The behavior of that object. The behavior of that object. So here, for this coin, the weight is suppose 2 grams, 3 grams, 5 grams. For this coin, some grams. For this coin, so these all comes under the feature. So whenever we train the machine, with some labeled data, the machine will predict the answer. The machine will predict the answer. Okay. This is called as training. These are called as features. This is called as prediction. Prediction అంటే ఏమి లేదండి ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వడం. Okay. Next. This is unsupervised learning. This is unsupervised learning. Training of what is unsupervised learning? Training on unlabeled data. So here I have wrote the example of the this cricket team. Okay. Now let us take that afterwards. So this is some class. Okay. I don't know your names, roll numbers, even sections also. Okay. Here, if I have divided you people into మీరు నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇస్తున్నాను నేను అడిగే క్వశ్చన్ కి మీరే ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి అక్కడ కనిపించే వర్డ్స్ అన్నిటికీ మీరే ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి ఓకే జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి సో దిస్ ఈస్ వన్ గ్రూప్ one data set here I am having unlabeled data. What is that unlabeled data? What is unlabeled data here? No unlabeled data. That's why I told you to sit straight. Here the data is students. Okay, I don't know your name. I have made you people into two clusters. One is boys cluster, another one is girls cluster. I have made two people into two types of clusters. One is boys cluster, one is girls cluster. Class I need to take you. You are the machine. You will learn from human. Okay. Even if it is labeled data or unlabeled data, also training will be done. మీరు నా దగ్గర నుండి నేను మీకు చదువు చెప్పాలంటే నాకు మీ అందరి నేమ్స్ రావాలని ఏం లేదు కదా there is no compulsory that I should compulsory know your labeling. Is it right? If your name is known to me or not also, you can learn from me. I can come and teach. You should come and sit and listen to my class. Is it right? Training can be done based on labeled or unlabeled data. In this unlabeled data, I have made two clusters, two separate groups. And this cluster contains this cluster contains this cluster contains these two are within the data set. These two are unlabeled data. Which type of learning is coming here? Unsupervised learning. Machine is trained. Till now you understood my class. Till now you understood my class. The machine has been understood is trained by the human. This is unsupervised learning. Nothing but here some data is given to the system regarding the cricket team. Not only the Indian cricket team. Cricket team లో కూడా కొంత bowlers, batsmen ఉంటారంట కదా అలా. So here it has made into two types of clusters. Okay. Supervised learning cluster will be what? What is the cluster meaning now? Grouping of similar data. అదే కదా ఒక క్లస్టర్ అందరు బాయ్స్ ఉంటారు కదా ఒక క్లస్టర్ అందరు గర్ల్స్ ఉంటారు ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళు ప్లేస్ లేదా నా క్లస్టర్ నుండి వచ్చి ఇక్కడ కూర్చోబెట్టాం కదా కూర్చోబెడతామా no so cluster is a grouping of similar data here in which type of learning we will see this cluster and supervised very good this example will చెప్తారు అదే అడుగుతున్నా unsupervised learning in your own words? Prasanna, you understood about supervised learning? Oh. Prasanna, what unsupervised learning? Fast గా చెప్పండి. In supervised learning, we will use clusters. Why? అంటే మీకు వచ్చి మీరే చెప్పాలా వాళ్ళు చెప్పొద్దా చెప్పండి. హలో, in supervised learning we will use clusters. Yes or no? Why? Why? Because already the data is labeled. In unsupervised learning, data will be not labeled. So that's why we will use cluster. Cluster is a grouping of unsimilar elements. Similar or similar? Very good. Right. నేను అదే చెప్పాను, నేను చెప్పేటప్పుడు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలని చెప్పాను. రైట్, త్వరగా రాస్తే ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ ఆప్షన్. Is this example correct? Unsupervised learning. నేను చెప్తాను. స్టూడెంట్ డాటా సెట్. దిస్ ఇస్ స్టూడెంట్ డాటా సెట్. ఓకే, అక్కడ అది క్లస్టర్స్ ఫామ్ అయ్యాయి. బట్ ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ గివింగ్ దట్ క్యాట్ 1 క్యాట్ 2 నేమ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, మీకు పెట్ నేమ్స్, పెట్ కి నేమ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా. ఓకే, it is not labeling that. It is dividing into two different types of clusters based on the feature. Based on the feature. Okay. Write down this. The fourth one is semi-supervised learning. 3 అన్నారు కదా, ఫోర్త్ వన్ అంటే అది కూడా మనం ఇంకోటి మెట్రిక్ తీసుకోవాలి. Fourth one is semi-supervised learning. So look at here. There is no compulsory that whenever we are downloading some data set, I told you to do the data acquisition today, no? Whenever we are downloading some data set may be labeled, some data set may be clustered, but there is a need for us to combine, to train both the data. Such type of data is learning is called as semi-supervised learning. Here, in this semi-supervised learning, it contains both and most of the part will be labeled form. Some part will be labeled form. Madam, ఎంత percentage అంటే చెప్పలేము. It will depend upon the supervised learning. Write down the definition for the ఓకేనా, అయిపోలేదా మరి చెప్పండి. ఇవన్నీ పారాడిమ్స్ ఏంటంటే ఒక పార్ట్ అండ్ ఒక్కొక్క టాపిక్ ఉంటాం కదా మనం ఇందులో ఈ ఎంఎల్లో ఇది ఒక పార్ట్. అక్కడ పారాడిమ్ అని వర్డ్ ఉంది కదా, tough word. It is called when it is called that it is an area or it is an part of the machine learning process. Okay. Finish. Next is heading rote learning. Don't write anything. We have rote learning. Rote learning ఉందా? Syllabus keep heading rote learning. Finish. Learning by rote, learning by induction. The first one we learn here now is learning by rote, rote learning. Okay. నేను ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జామ్ మార్నింగ్ ఏఐ గురించి కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ వేసాను కదా, యూ హ్యావ్ గివెన్ సమ్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఫర్ ఏఐ. ఇస్ ఇట్ రైట్? సో లెర్నింగ్ బై రూట్ ఈస్ predicting the answers based on the previous knowledge, remembering the answers, nothing but remembering the answers is called as rote learning. Okay, remembering the answers is the rote learning. Write down the definition for rote learning. Rote learning is the memorization of information based on repetition. Memorization of information based on repetition. నేను మీకు కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ వేస్తా, అలాగే ఉండండి. సిట్ రైట్, ఒక ఆన్సర్ రాదు. ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే. టేబుల్స్, యు నో టేబుల్స్? ఓకే. 12, 13, 14, 15. కూర్చో, వద్దులే, మళ్ళీ ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వకపోతే మళ్ళీ బాగుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ 12 ఎగ్జామ్? 14 9 So here the example is for rote learning. Yes. The example for rote learning is, so whenever the machine learns everything from the human, it will give the immediate answer. Whenever the human learns everything from the machine, human performs rote learning. He is going to memorize, recall everything starting from the first unit to the unit. The example is when I asked you the AI definition. When I asked you the AI definition, I asked you, you people answered artificial intelligence, but only few of the students answered, recalled what I have told, and they have given the answer. Okay. In rote learning, here we will be having two meanings. Rote learning and we will call here meaningful learning. The difference is in rote learning, whenever we want to give the answer, we call complete learning. From the first to learning is they consider only the part related to that question. Okay? Example is root learning is when humans learn from machine. Learning is when machine learn from human. Student but student either should start from 9 1 to 9 into 14, 14 into 1 to 14 into 9. It takes some few 2 to 3 minutes. Learning, that is root learning. Okay. Root learning is recalling everything whatever we learn. Root learning is it considers only the part related to the topic. The difference between root learning and the meaningful learning. Write down differences. ఏం చేస్తారని చెప్పి you are going to write your under your achievements whatever the model. Okay. You can easily tell that my model will not at all perform rote learning. ఈ వర్డ్ చెప్పాలి అక్కడ ఇంటర్వ్యూయర్కి తెలియని వర్డ్స్ మనం వాడాలి మనం తెలియని వర్డ్స్ వాడామనుకోండి మన క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆ వర్డ్స్ పైన వెళ్తాయి డాటా అక్వజైజేషన్ ఈ నార్మల్ వర్డ్స్ వాడద్దు డాటా అది వాడద్దు డాటా అక్వజైజేషన్ అండ్ ఆల్సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు టెల్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్లీ దట్ వాట్ will predict correct answer. ఈ రూట్ లర్నింగ్ ఎక్కడ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తాను బట్ వీ షుడ్ టెల్ రూట్ లర్నింగ్ ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ పర్ఫార్మ్ ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ పర్ఫార్మ్ రూట్ లర్నింగ్ అని చెప్పాలి ఇట్ విల్ పర్ఫార్మ్ అని చెప్పొద్దు ఓకే రైట్ ఆన్ దిస్ అండర్లైన్ దట్ వర్డ్స్ మొబైల్ Finish. Yes, no talking. Whatever the learning you are doing is whatever you learn is learning by induction. Okay, learning by induction. Learning by induction is nothing but it is the prediction whatever we do based on some algorithms. Whenever we train the model, we need to check. Is it right? Whether it is giving correct answer or not. మనం check చేయాలి కదా. Because for training a machine, we will give the input, we will give the output. By using some algorithms, we will train the model. So whenever we give the image, it should predict correctly. If we train the model correctly. మన మోడల్ కరెక్ట్ గా ట్రైన్ చేసినప్పుడు కరెక్ట్ గా ట్రైన్ చేస్తామంటే the machine should give the correct answer. Suppose 49 ఎంత అమ్మా? మేడం ఎట్లయినా అడుగుతుంది ఆన్సర్ అని చెప్పేసి టైప్ చేశారా? 49 ఎంత? 126. ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ అడగనా? Did you perform root learning? Another question is 17 into 18. What is the answer? Tell me answer after some time. That is root learning. Okay. Tomorrow, whenever you train the model, here only itself we will do learning by induction. Inductive learning. Inductive learning అంటే ఏమీ లేదు. Whatever the data acquisition we do, based on the data acquisition, we will test the machine whether it is giving the correct answer or not. Here, you people will test your own trained model. Trained model test చేస్తే that is called as learning by induction. Okay, write down this definition. You should remember me at 4 o'clock. Madam, data acquisition పట్టిస్తున్నారు ఏంటని. Otherwise, both of tasks we will do it tomorrow only. After training the model, only I will leave you from the class tomorrow. Hey, Babu. అమ్మ అయిపోయిందా రాయడం? ఫినిష్. See here. Here you can see the word. Make prediction. It is nothing but we will మన మోడల్ తయారు మన ఓన్ అల్గారిథం యూస్ చేయొచ్చండి మీ ఇష్టం. అంటే రేపు ఫర్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ టుమారో ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ ద కోడ్. You just copy paste your data set. But actually we can use our own algorithm. Which algorithm is flexible for you, which you understood clearly, you can use that algorithm. Finish? Now you understood about difference between rote and inductive? Okay. Today in the first hour of class we have learned about what is ML, what is supervised learning, unsupervised, reinforcement, semi-supervised, rote learning, inductive learning. ఒక 15 minutes చెప్పేస్తాను టాపిక్ అయిపోయింది. నేను మళ్ళీ చేయాలి. Write down this. So here look at the board one. ఒకసారి చూడండి అమ్మా. Here you can see the hypothesis, overfitting and underfitting. మీకు సిలబస్ లో లాస్ట్ 2 టాపిక్స్ 9th టాపిక్ లో you can see the application metric ఒకసారి సిలబస్ లో model evaluation ఉందా? So there in model evaluation we will check regarding this overfitting and underfitting. ఏంటంటే మనం ట్రైన్ చేస్తాం కదా మోడల్, అక్కడే ఇన్పుట్ అక్కడే అవుట్పుట్ ఇస్తాం కదా. హౌ ద మెషిన్ ఇస్ లెర్నింగ్, వాట్ ఇస్ ద గ్రాఫ్, వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎక్సీడింగ్ ఇట్ సైజ్ ఆర్ వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ సూటబుల్ ఫర్ దట్ డేటా. అక్కడ మనము ఓవర్ ఫిట్టింగ్ అండర్ ఫిట్టింగ్ చూస్తాం. ఓకే, దేర్ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ రిగార్డింగ్ దిస్ ఓవర్ ఫిట్టింగ్ అండ్ అండర్ ఫిట్టింగ్ టుమారో. అండ్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండక్టివ్ లెర్నింగ్, concept of inductive learning. The first one is the generalization. Next one is hypothesis. Third one overfitting and underfitting. Next, keep getting reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning. What is reinforcement learning? Is it supervised? It is unsupervised? It is semi-supervised? It is reinforcement learning? నేను చెప్తాను ఆన్సర్ వినండి. Listen here. Stop writing. This is the question asked by most of the interviewers. What is reinforcement learning? Tell me. It will be learned based on the feedback. అంటే మనం ఒక మోడల్ ని ట్రైన్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆ ప్రెడిక్షన్ అయితే ఎస్ ఆర్ నో అయితే అగైన్ ద ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ విల్ బి గివెన్. ద మెషిన్ విల్ డూ ద సర్టెన్ చేంజెస్ విత్ ఆర్ వితౌట్ ద ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఓనర్. ఇప్పుడు ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ అనేది సూపర్వైజ్ లెర్నింగ్ పని కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు కదా. కదా, I have done a model based on the labeled data. whenever the machine predicts the answer may not correct. Okay, then again it returns, again it will give the answer. Then it is called as reinforcement learning. Here, reinforcement learning is a learning which is done by the based on the feedback. Based on the feedback. In ChatGPT, whenever you get the answers, it may be labeled data or it may be unlabeled data. It may be semi-supervised learning also. Reinforcement learning అనేది మీరు ఆన్సర్ అడిగితే చెప్పాలి ఇలా. The interviewer may ask you that whether it is a supervised learning or unsupervised learning. You should tell reinforcement. First definition చెప్పాలి. Reinforcement learning is a learning based on the supervised or unsupervised or semi-supervised, because reinforcement learning is done based on the prediction given by the machine and the feedback. Okay, write down this. మీరు ఎవరు ఈ క్లాస్ క్లాస్ వింటున్నారా పని చేస్తున్నారు? You should be like ChatGPT. అది ఎప్పుడు లేట్ చేస్తుందా ఆన్సర్స్ ఇవ్వడానికి? మీరు ఎందుకు చూసి రావడానికి లేట్ చేస్తుంది? రైట్ డౌన్ key concepts of reinforcement learning. First one agent. First one agent. Next environment. Agent. Environment. State. Action. Reward. State. Action. Reward. Finish. So coming to here the word agent. సెంటెన్స్ రాస్తున్నారా? రాండి, కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ గా రండి. హ్యావ్ యువర్ లంచ్ కమ్ విత్ ఇన్ 20 minutes. రాయండి ఫస్ట్. ఫినిష్. Okay, look at here. Stop writing. I will give you the time. Stop writing. Look at here. Yes, everyone. So coming to here, the word agent. Who is an agent? Learner or నేను చెప్తాను ఇప్పుడు ఏజెంట్ అంటే the each and every person involved in training that model. Each and every person who is involved in training that model, whether it is a supervised learning or unsupervised or oral or semi supervised learning, is called as an agent, directly or indirectly. Okay, directly or indirectly. Coming to the environment. What is the environment? Not that environment. Okay, coming to the environment. This environment includes which data acquisition performing. Data acquisition is మీకు ఆ వర్డ్ కి నెక్స్ట్ లంచ్ టైమ్ లో చెప్పేస్తాను. Which data acquisition is you are performing? Which type of what it needs? Which algorithm it chooses? What you are performing? Okay. Next, either prediction, either feedback, either RL. Okay. State involves whether it is a state of learning, which type of learning, or which either you are giving the input, either you are performing the model, you are or after training, you are doing evaluation metrics. Okay. Coming to the possible actions involved in that. What is an action? What is an action? What is an action? What is an action? Coming to the result. స్కాలర్షిప్ స్కాలర్షిప్ అప్లై చేస్తారా తర్వాత మీకు అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్ వస్తుంది కదా వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్ స్టేటస్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ application. Is it right? Is it right? The proof for whatever the work you have done. Based on that, your next step will be performed. Okay, here this reward is the feedback or is the suggestion given by the client based for your model prediction. Okay, I mean, I think after 20 minutes, have your lunch.